Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Preheat the oven to 275 degrees F. Remove the ribs from the kale and cut into 1.5-inch pieces. Lay on a baking sheet and toss with the olive oil and salt. Bake until crisp, turning the leaves halfway through, about 20 minutes. Serve as finger food.
Take our lead.
Kale can help lose weight if when one consumes it and dishes higher calorie options. Instead of potato chips, try kale chips baked with garlic and black pepper. Kale is rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein and low in calories.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Brad's Raw Leafy Kale. Brad's flavor-packed kale chips come in an easy-to-save, resealable container. Not that they last longer than one sitting, and are available in punchy varieties such as Nasty Hot, jalapeno and vegan cheese, and Vampire Killer, garlic and vegan cheese.
Take our lead.
Often labeled as a superfood, kale is one of the healthiest and most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. This leafy green comes in a variety of colors, shapes, and textures. It's often eaten raw in salads and smoothies but can also be enjoyed steamed, sautéed, boiled, or baked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.